Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. I am your teacher Ma'am Hira. This is the lecture of chemistry. Today is 30th June and the day is Tuesday. We are on unit number 1 nowadays and the name of our unit is Fundamentals of Chemistry. Today we have to learn the basic terms. Our topic of today is basic terms related to the definitions, which are ions, cations, anions, free radical, atom, ionic compounds. We will learn today all these topics. We will learn their basic definitions, what these are actually. So starting from the first one, which is ion, the definition of ion is given in your book. Any charged species is called ion. Any charged species. Charge. Can you tell me what is charged? There are two charges in universe. One is positive and the other one is negative. And the one having the two at the same rate is a neutral one. Alright guys. So any atom, any molecule, any compound, if it is charged, if there is a symbol of either positive charge or negative charge, this will become an ion. I-O-N, ion. It is not an atom, it is an ion, or it is not a molecule. For example, if I symbolize hydrogen like this, let me start with this. If I symbolize hydrogen like this, then this is what? This is hydrogen atom. And if I symbolize it with charge, it will become an ion. Alright. Now there are two categories to these ions. One is cation and the other is anion. What is cation and what is anion? Cation, starting from the first one. Cations are the positive charge particles. And what are anions? Anions are obviously opposite to them. These are negative charge particles. So if anything is positively charged, first of all, if something is charged, it is an ion. This is hydrogen ion. And hydrogen, which ion? This is cation. Why? Because it is positively charged. And if I represent hydrogen like this, minus, then what is this? This is an anion. Why anion? Because it occupies a negative charge. Alright guys, so starting from the first one, ion. What is ion? Any charged species is called ion. What are cations? Cations are the positive charged particles. Done. Next to that is anion. What are anions? Anions are the negatively charged particles. Anything which has a negative charge is called anion. Next to that, our next definition is of free radical. What is free radical? So my dear class, remember that a free radical is one which have no charge. First of all, you will identify that it do not have any charge. It has lone pairs like this. These dots are always present on a free radical. Always remember, free radical is what? Free radical occupies no charge. It is electrically neutral. A free radical is electrically neutral species, whereas an ion has a charge. Free radical is neutral and it has always has unpaired electron, vacant electron. It is symbolized like this. Hydrogen has one electron. This is what? This is a free radical. And this is what? This is an ion. And which kind of ion? This is cation. Why? Because it has a positive charge. And what is this? H minus. This is an anion. Why? Because it has a negative charge. Understood? What is free radical? Free radical is electrically neutral. It has no charge. It has lone pair, free, vacant electron, unpaired electron pair, which are symbolized by dots. Understood? Next to that, what is that? Atom. Atom is the smallest particle of the universe. Any particle, smallest particle, our whole world is made up of atom. And last to that is ionic compounds. What are ionic compounds? Ionic compounds contain anions and cations in such number that the compound is electrically neutral. Ionic compounds are those which have same numbers of positively charged ions and same number of negative charge. For example, if there are 2 electrons, there must be 2 protons. If there are 2 cations, there must be 2 anions, then the resulting will be No, the net charge will be 0, so it is neutral. If there are 4 cations and 3 anions, so there is a difference, so it is not a neutral. What is ionic compound? Ionic compound are those compounds which have same number of cations and anions in them. Alright class, today we have learned these 6 definitions about ions, cations, anions, free radical, atom and ionic compounds. All these definitions are mentioned in your book. This was an additional lecture for those for the better remembrance with the help of extra examples and diagrammatic expressions. I hope you guys got my words. If you have any problem or query related to them, please ask me. Learn these topics by your heart. Protect you and yourself plus your family from COVID-19. Stay home and please utilize your time in learning rather wasting. Alright? Allah Hafiz. Thank you.